Happy birthday, Michelle. Tonight, we're all gathering together and we have the cocktail, and I'm gonna put together an appetizer that we've enjoyed on the river when we've been kayaking. And Michelle enjoyed it greatly and asked me to put it together for you all tonight. So I've got some prosciutto, olives, fig jam, goat cheese, fresh rosemary, and some crackers. So it's very easy to assemble. You can actually take this on a picnic or on a hike. You can put it in a small container, and it's very forgiving and delicious. So you open up your package of goat cheese and place it on your cutting board or platter. And then you top it with some fig jam or preserves. You can use raspberry if you don't have it, but fig is quite lovely. And you just put a good amount all over the top, let it spread down over it, enough that there'll be a good proportion. Then you take some fresh rosemary, which you can use the excess to garnish your platter and make it fresh and lovely, and the aroma is just wonderful. So you just dice up a nice pile of fresh rosemary, and this will complement all the Mediterranean flavors that you have going on with the goat cheese and the figs and then the olives and the prosciutto. And these are all things that you can have in your pantry that are simple and easy. So once you have a nice diced up rosemary, you sprinkle it over the top. So now you have your fresh rosemary on top of the goat cheese and fig jam. And then a nice complement is fresh salty olives. You can use any kind, and just put them in a small dish, or you can put them straight on the platter. And then next, take either salami or some prosciutto and put a nice piling. I find that when you put all the same items together, it makes it look more elegant and appealing. So you just put a mound of prosciutto or salami or any ham, anything like that. And it'll be a lovely complement to all the flavors that we've got going on. All right. And then next, we just need to put some crackers. So I have two options. I have a gluten-free option that have some rosemary in them. And then we also have some fig and rosemary crackers that are also just a lovely complement. And there you go. So all you need to do is take a little bit and put it on a cracker. And there you go.